Nail Art Madness. Today I'm going to be doing a multicolor fishnet or diamond shaped nail tutorial. For this I'm using several different nail polish colors and my striping tape. I started this design off by painting my nails white just to enhance the color, and then I'm laying pieces of my striping tape diagonal across my nail on both sides. And you really want to make sure that the striping tape is pressed firmly down against your nail so you'll have no lift whenever you polish in your diamond shapes. Once my striping tape is secured on my nail in the fishnet design, I'm going to start taking my polish and filling in the diamond shapes with different colors all the way around my nail. I'm now going to finish out my colors and I will be right back. Now that all of the diamond shapes are filled in with different colors, I'm going to gently remove the striping tape from my nail. Now I'm going to take my black polish and fill in the white empty space between each diamond shape with black polish. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my nails and I'll be right back. Now that my nails are complete, I'm going to be using a matte top coat to go over the polish. I did try to use a quick dry top coat, but no matter how long I let my polish dry, it always smeared. It never failed. So I decided to use a matte top coat. And now my multicolor fishnet design is complete. This design was super fast to do. If you don't have the striping tape, it does take a little bit longer to sketch out your designs, to me anyway. If you're interested in purchasing some striping tape at a really good price, I'll leave a link in the description box below along with the colors that I used for this design. There will also be a link in the description box for the nail oil that I've used here if you're interested in that. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope everyone enjoyed. Don't forget to hit your bell button for notifications when I upload new content. I hope you enjoy the pictures at the end of the video, and I'll see y'all next Saturday.